Good morning, grade 8. Let's see sixth problem from set 10.2. Now here again polynomial we are dividing by binomial. A raised to 4 minus a cube plus a square minus a plus 1. We are dividing it by a cube minus 2. So this is dividend and this is divisor. So a cube minus 2 I have written over here and this is the dividend. Now as the first step, first term from the polynomial I have taken and dividing it by first term from the divisor also. So a raised to 4 upon a cube. So a is repeating 4 times and here a is repeating multiplied 3 by itself 3 times. So 3 a's get cancelled and 1 a remains. You have a remaining a. So this is your quotient. I have written it over here. Now what is to be subtracted? We have to multiply what is quotient with this divisor. So a into a cube minus 2. What I get? A raised to 4 minus 2a. Now look at this. We have a raised to 4. So I have written a raised to 4 below a raised to 4. And next is 2a. So I should be writing it below a. These are like terms. We don't have a cube and a square. Here after a raised to 4 directly only a is there. A cube and a square is missing. So below this either you leave it like that. Don't write nothing. You write nothing over here. Do not write anything. Or you can put your 0, 0. That is also fine. You put here plus 0, plus 0. Is it clear? Or you leave it like that. Below a you write a. Below a raised to 4 you write a raised to 4. Now this a raised to 4 minus 2. A raised to 4 minus 2 we are subtracting. Because of subtraction plus sign becomes minus. Here minus sign becomes plus. So what we have? A raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 is 0. This minus a cube is written over here. This a square is written over here. Minus a plus 2a is plus a. And this one I have taken down. Alright. Now again same. Minus a cube, divide it with a cube. Yesterday also I have told you, in the previous video, that we can do division like this till the indices are either equal or index of this divisor is less than the index of the dividend. If this is more and this is less in terms of index, we have to stop. We can't divide. Alright. So here they are equal. So we have chance. A cube gets cancelled and you are left with minus 1. With minus 1 we are multiplying a cube minus 2. What do we get? Minus a cube minus into minus becomes plus 2. So this again a cube minus a cube and plus 2. This we are subtracting from this whatever is remaining. Alright. Now a cube minus a cube, this becomes 0. A square, here also see after a cube directly constant term is there. A square and a is missing. So I have not written anything below a square and a. Did you notice that? Or you can put 0, 0 as I have said. Alright. So a square as it is, a as it is, plus 1 minus 2 gives minus 1. Now look at the remainder. We have a square and here divisor is a cube. So index of divisor is more compared to that of the remainder. So you cannot further divide this. So stop it over here. So this itself is your remainder and this is your quotient. So what is your quotient? Your quotient is a minus 1. And what is your remainder? Your remainder is, so we'll write here quotient is equal to a minus 1 and remainder is equal to a square plus a minus 1. Is this clear, students? Okay. Shall we go to the next problem? We'll go to the 7th one. Now look at 7th problem. 7th we are doing. See now. 4x raised to 4 minus 5x cube. After x cube direct x is given. X square term is missing. So for that I have taken here plus 0x square. Then minus 7x plus 1. This we are dividing by 4x minus 1. So as we do regularly, 4x raised to 4 divided by 4x. You get x cube. X cube you are multiplying with the divisor. You get 4x. After this multiplication, 4x raised to 4 minus x cube into 1 is minus x cube. This we are subtracting. Okay, signs will be changed. 4x raised to 4 minus 4x raised to 4 will be 0. Minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4x cube. Then we take this x 0 x square below. So now what is the remainder? Minus 4x cube plus 0x square. Now take minus 4x cube again, divide it with 4x. What you get? Minus x square. That will be your second question. First is x cube, then is minus x square. Now this minus x square again you multiply with 4x minus 1. What do you get? Minus 4x cube plus x square. So this we are going to subtract. Minus 4x cube plus x square we are subtracting. Signs will change. 4x cube minus 4x cube 0. Now here 0x square and minus 1x square. So it is minus 1 or only minus x square is one and the same. And now you take below minus 7x. Now again minus x square you are dividing with 4x. So what you are going to get? 1x will cancel. So 1x is remaining. Minus sign as it is. But this is 1 upon 4. So you get minus 1 upon 4x. Minus 1 upon 4x. This is your quotient now. Third term of the quotient. Now with minus 1 upon 4x you are multiplying this. 4x minus 1. So what are you going to get? Just see. Minus 1 upon 4x into 4x. 4 and 4 will cancel. Only minus 1x square will remain. X into x is x square. And minus into minus will be plus 1 upon 4x. So this we are subtracting over here. Okay. Now how we are going to subtract? See, signs will change. X square minus x square is 0. Now look at this very carefully. We have minus 7x and minus 1 upon 4x. Minus 1 upon 4x. Can you see this? I have added here upon 1. Now denominators are not equal, so I have cross multiplied. Minus 7x into 4. 7 4s are 28. Minus 28x. 1 into 1 is minus 1x upon 4. Minus 28x minus 1x will give you minus 29x upon 4. So your remainder is here minus 29x upon 4. Now you take this plus 1. Up till here is it clear? Now let us do further also. See now, I don't have place so I am erasing. You may pause the video and take it down. Alright, this rough work is very important. Now let us work out in the last section of the problem. Now what we are left with? This we are going to divide with 4x. So it is mine as we do regularly, no? So what are we going to do now? So we are doing minus 29x upon 4. This we are dividing with 4x. 4x is 4x upon 1. Okay. So if I take it up, it will go into reciprocal. So it will become minus 29x upon 4 into 1 upon 4x. X will cancel. 4 4s are 16. So what I am getting? Minus 29 upon 16. This is your quotient, isn't it? After division you are getting minus 29 upon 16. So I am writing here minus, let me write the quotient, minus 29 upon 16. Minus 29 upon 16. With this quotient you multiply with this. So what we get? I am doing it here now. Minus 29 upon 16 you multiply with 4x minus 1. So as to get the term which should be subtracted from here. Let us multiply. Minus 29 into 4x upon 16. Minus into minus will be plus 29 upon 16. Now 4 1s and 4 4s are 16. Alright. Or let us keep this as it is because the denominators will be same. So we can add or subtract directly. So minus 29 into 4x. Carry out this multiplication. What do we get? Coming back again, students. With this I am multiplying this. This 2 multiplication is 29 upon 16 into 4x. Okay. This is 16. Minus into minus is plus 29 upon 16. So 4 ones are and 4 fours are 16. So you get minus 29 upon 4x. Okay. So this is what we are going to subtract. So we are going to subtract minus 29x upon 4, and here it will be plus 29 upon 16. Okay. Are you understanding? Now minus this signs will be changed. So minus 29x upon 4 and plus 29x upon 4. This will be 0. And we are left with what? We are left with minus into plus is minus. So we are left with minus 29 upon 16 plus 1. So again 1 upon 1 we can take, cross multiply what we have? We have minus 29 plus 16 upon 16. 1 into this is this, 16 into 1 is this. So this is equal to minus 13 upon 16. So here we have minus 13 upon 16. Okay. So your remainder is minus 13 upon 16. I hope it is clear. Okay. Every time you multiply quotient with this and subtract it from over here. Alright. So what is your quotient? Your quotient will be x cube minus x square minus 1 upon 4x minus 29 upon 16. And what is your remainder? Your remainder is minus 13 upon 16. Is it clear? So that's all for today. Thank you.